Welcome to Learn Short and Typing with Vikas Sir. The Hindu editorial dictation. Heading is Be Lettered but Bold. This article is related to finance. Heading is Execution will be critical for the strategic disinvestment policy unveiled in the budget. ये आर्टिकल आपका बजट से रिलेटेड है और जो इसमें बोला गया एग्जीक्यूशन इज मीन्स जैसे प्लान को एग्जीक्यूट करते हैं विल बी क्रिटिकल एक नाजुक क्रिटिकल है फॉर द स्ट्रेटजी डिस इन्वेस्टमेंट मतलब ये इसमें यहाँ पे बोला जो बजट हमने पास किया है उसको हर सेक्टर में कैसे इन्वेस्ट करेंगे हम दिस आर्टिकल इज रिलेटेड टू। चलिए हम शुरुआत करते हैं अपने आर्टिकल की 100 वर्ड पर मिनट्स बी रेडी स्टार्ट। The government's spending plans for 2021-22 hing on better compliance, lifting tax collections, and an ambitious plan to raise non-tax revenue. Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman has announced large-scale monetization of government sector assets including vast tracts of land and is banking on disinvestment receipts of rupees 1.75 lakh crore. This includes likely inflows from the strategic sale of entities such as Air India and BPCL carried forward from this year's plans. This listing of LIC could be completed as well with necessary amendments in the finance bill and that alone could bolster the revenue kitty. Most significant, however, is the new strategic disinvestment policy for public sector enterprises and the promise to privatize two public sector banks and a general insurance company in the year. This policy promised as part of the Atma Nirbhar Bharat package states the government will exit all businesses in non-strategic sectors with only a bare minimum presence in four broad sectors. These strategic sectors are atomic energy, space and defense, transport and telecom, power, petroleum, coal and other minerals, and banking and financial services. In India's brief but tortuous history of disinvestment since it began listing PSUs on the stock markets through minority stake sales in the 1990s, this is undoubtedly the boldest stance yet. On intent, it goes further than the AB Vajpayee government's sales of a dozen odd PSUs from hotels to bread makers, some including Bello and Hindustan Zinc, where the government still has residual minority stakes, have fared much better under private management. It can be no one's case that India's public sector remains at the commanding heights of the economy. Apart from raising precious revenues, the sale of closure of such firms will help the exchequer stop throwing good money after bad and funnel it into more productive endeavors. It is not clear why it took the Narendra Modi administration so long the articulate this plan or make headway on this front even without such a blueprint as the PM had declared back in 2014 that the government had no business being in business. Now that the policy is in place, tactful execution will be as critical as dealing with the usual pockets of resistance that would crop up. While stock markets are on a height, the financial capacity of potential buyers may not be optimal thanks to the pandemic. Among its multiple challenges, the government will need to create confidence in the sale processes, ensure a semblance of fair valuations, give officers some cover from potential post transaction witch hunts by auditors and investigating agencies, sequence the sales so that the economy does not face shocks or create monopolies, and most of all manage electoral pressures in jurisdictions where these units would be located. A single controversial transaction could sculpt the momentum behind such a plan, and India can ill afford it. Full stop. 460 वर्ड 100 वर्ड पर मिनट्स। ये आर्टिकल आपका आज का आर्टिकल है, फर्स्ट आर्टिकल। सेकंड आर्टिकल हम 80 वर्ड पर मिनट्स डिस्कस करेंगे आफ्टरनून में, कटिंग ट्रांसफेट। इस आर्टिकल को आप इसको टाइप कीजिए, टाइप आप नोटपैड में कीजिए, किसी भी आप सॉफ्टवेयर की हेल्प मत लीजिएगा और मैनुअल चेक कीजिएगा। और इसमें जो भी आपके डिफ़िकल्ट वर्ड हैं या कोई वैकेब है, आपको PDF की फॉर्म में आपको मिल जाएगी टेलीग्राम पे। ओके, इस और जैसे ये आपकी द हिंदू एडिटोरियल डिक्टेशन है, इस डिक्टेशन को आप ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर कीजिए और इसको ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा बच्चों को पहुंचाइए, इसलिए ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा बच्चे इसका फ़ायदा उठा सकें। ओके, थैंक यू वेरी मच, हैव ए गुड डे।